welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So as you can see from the description below, today we have a brand new subscription to our channel. I am super excited to open this and give this a try. This is Worldwide Treats. It came in just a regular mailer box. And this I found on Crate Joy when they were having the big Mother's Day sale. And so I signed up because it's supposed to give you a variety of snacks from all around the world, which I enjoy doing the snacks like that, especially, Christopher and I have fun trying them. Still trying to get my husband on board. He's a little nervous, I think. He just won't admit it. But I just thought this would be fun, so I want to give it a try, and I will put a link and everything down below for you guys. So let's get this open. Before we do that, I do want to remind you guys we have the LD box giveaway going on, so that link will be below as well, so make sure you head over and check that out if you'd like to win a free month. But otherwise, let's get into this bad boy. So okay, I wasn't sure if it would, and it looks like it is. I was gonna say, I wasn't sure if it would be in another box. Goodness. But it does look like it is. So, okay. I'm literally having to tear apart this box because the box inside is like the same size. Y'all, for real. Oh gosh. Well, that's the remnants. Alright. So, now that we've done that, here is the actual box. So, let's get this open again and see what Worldwide Treats is just all about. All right. Wow. Okay, so there is a purchase, or not a purchase, a paper here I will look at in just a second. But you guys, this is actually packed way more than I thought it would be. So, let's put her right there for a second and look at the paper. It says, hello and thanks for your purchase. We are worldwidetreats.com. We're a small business that's proudly owned and operated right here in the USA. They have a Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And basically they're just saying, thank you. Okay. Like I said, I'll put a link and everything down below if you'd like to go check them out. Like I said, I am really surprised at the amount of snacks in here. I didn't expect it to be this many. So I guess we'll just start diving in. So this first thing I'm seeing is Crostatine Fruity Di Bosco tart with mixed berry spread. So there is that guy right there. Where's this from? Italy. I bet that's really good. And then we have Jack and Jill Dewberry Blueberries and Cream. These look like cookies. Sandwich cookies with luscious fruity taste and exquisite cream filling. Ooh. Product of the Philippines. Don't those just look so good? Milk chocolate covered wafer, Choco Freda. And this is from from? Greece. Those will be good, I'm sure. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be so excited if this is what I think it is. Bananaco original. I think I got this in a Universal Yums one time. Where are you from? Where are you from? Croatia. Maybe not. But either way, I got something very similar to this, like a chocolate banana flavored treat. And it was phenomenal. So I'm so excited about that. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then this is Farfalina Farro cookies with forest fruit filling, made in Italy. These look right fancy. And then well-made Swiss roll, vanilla sponge cake, vanilla cake filled with strawberry jam and vanilla cream. I feel like I got this in something too. You know what? It could have been a munch pack that I got this in, not a Universal Yums. And I think that's the same case here. This is from Jordan. And these were really good. So yeah, this, that's what I've seen those before. It's from a munch pack. Britannia Nice Time coconut biscuits. Oh, okay. This sounds good. Where's it from? India. So it's probably going to be like cookies, coconut cookies, which will be fantastic. And then, I have no idea. I am going to guess like pretzel sticks filled with peanut butter, but it's in a language that I cannot read. Right here. Okay, good. They have a sticker on the back. Prima pretzel sticks filled with peanut cream. All right. Where are you from? Where are you from? Serbia. Interesting. That will probably be good. Layer cake. I can't read anything else. It says Pandan Flavor. I have no idea what that is. And this is from well, I see Indonesia and Malaysia. So I'm not sure. I have no idea what this is or where it's from. Some kind of cake from somewhere. But it'll be interesting. And then this is some more wafers. They're chocolate alpino. Where are you from? I cannot read that. I really cannot read that. Where are you from? The Czech Republic. So, yum. These are all sounding so delicious. Ooh, this is from Spain. Cream wafer cookies. Oh, yum. And then Margaret cookie. Margaret cookie with Parents Love. Feel the love with a soft cookie. Right there. And this does not tell me anything about where it is from. So I have no idea. I almost want to guess like England or something, but I have no clue, honestly. But it's a soft cookie made with love. And then we have some little okay, that's pineapple. And I'm not sure what that is, but some kind of like little hard candies right here. And then we have our final item, and this is curry. Now tastier, made with dal, corn, and rice. Masala munch. Made with kitchen ingredients. This is from India. That looks very interesting, and I have a feeling that's probably going to be really good. So, that is everything we got. So, it was quite sweet heavy. This I think really is only like the salty snack we got. I mean, we did get these pretzels with the peanut butter. But the rest are like cookies, wafers, cakes, and things, which is fine. I'm not going to knock a sweet treat every now and then. I am super excited to have one of these again because it was phenomenal. But I think this was fun. I can't wait to try some of these. And like I said, we'll leave a link down below for Worldwide Treats if you would like to sign up. I definitely think it is worth it. And the shipping was super fast. I want to say maybe 5 days from when I ordered it, and I've got it. So, like I said, I'll put a link down below, as well as that link for the LD box giveaway, so don't forget to enter that. And let me know what you guys thought. Let me know, if you think Worldwide Treats seems interesting. If you subscribe to it, let me know what you've gotten before. I hope you have a great day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.